Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can close a position on Etoro. If you have bought something or like your stocks or crypto and now want to close a position on that particular stocks or investment, then this video is the right one for you. First of all, log into your Etoro account, and after logging into your Etoro account, you can see these home option on the left hand side of your screen. From here, go into your portfolio. Here you can see all the investment I have made right here, and you can also see your loss or profit. Now, to close an investment or close a position, you just need to click on this arrow button. If you see that, you can see all of these options right here. After that, just click on the type or on the asset that you want to close your position in. After simply clicking on that current asset, you will be taken into this kind of screen, where now you can simply click on close to help you close your position right there. But if you want to sell all, you can just simply click on sell all, and all of your stocks or investment will be sold. And that is an easy process on how you can close your position on Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.